think so.
Just hold on and close your eyes. Sometimes that works best. Except for that long spot. Yeah, because the Jeep is longer than that. Because it's got the bed.
Yeah, I'll just stay on the right. That one there.
Not trail mode.
Yeah, put it in the front and rear lockers.
I feel like I'm on a carnival ride and I want to get off.
Right? If it starts spinning, feel free to throw up.
That was not bad.
Oh, goodness.
Oh yeah, lots of people do it. Presumption ready. Apparently I need a spotter. Go back further. Hey, this is actually, we're on the right line now. I love her face. When we were tilting, she had no expression.
You're like, which way? I don't know, they both look really bad.
So I was laughing. When we ledge right here. It was the one that we were, actually this one isn't the one that gave us all the trouble. It was the one right after it. Yeah, this one right here that we're about to hit. Or no, I think it was that one down there, you're right. Oh, this is skidding.
water on the way down, Brad.